until the client realizes I'm paying so much on rebuilding, where this other competitor I could pay, 4 times less. Right? So that could also, because if they grow so much, they're gonna be so much volume. Well, it could happen too, right? There's pros and cons to everything.
Depends. Like I use a service, for example, that was a $0 upfront, and how we handle our billing for CloseBot, it was free up to us billing $100,000 through their platform.
Right.
And then it's a usage based. So now we're paying, I think, $4,000 a month for their platform, but I can never get off it because it's set up,
so sticky.
it's working.
Yeah.